Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Stewart. I'm a student from the University of Ballarat and I'm going to be talking to you today about crowdsourcing, what it is, a bit of history about it, why we are using it, and some pros and cons. Firstly, let's start with some history about crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing is the term used for the first time in 2006 by Jeff Howie and Mark Robertson, who are both editors of the magazine Why. Crowdsourcing involves reaching beyond yourself or your company to get something done. Usually the people you reach out to are not part of an organisation's business entity. Rather, they are independent workers who can either perform work individually or be brought together on a project. So there are three main categories that crowdsourcing falls into. The first category is work, the second category is input, and the third category is organising. Let's take a look and explain these three categories now. Work is any task that needs to be done, especially small and tedious tasks that are part of a larger project. The majority of crowdsourcing work nowadays is handled online, and this is due to the fact of its flexible working hours. Input is anything from feedback and opinions to ideas, answers and solutions. Some examples of this are a survey you might have done, or it could be something that is sitting next to you right now. A dictionary are sometimes crowdsourced. Organising is the way of bringing people, organisations and volunteers together in an organised way to take action to fund a project, and by combining their efforts or money to get a project completed in a timely manner. So far, this all sounds so good. Crowdsourcing is a wonderful thing when it works. So, what are the pros and cons of crowdsourcing, and how could this affect you or your business if you were to ever crowdsource? Well, there can be many pros to crowdsourcing, but some of the more important ones are cost saving, time saving, built-in market research, increased productivity, customer loyalty, and not to mention the cheap startup cost. The cons of crowdsourcing are risk versus reward, legal issues, additional costs to bring all that information together, and that the project may fail due to the lack of financial motivation and low quality of work from inexperienced people. Many companies and organisations are turning to crowdsourcing to get their projects off the ground. Such examples of this is universities, companies and bands. Eskimo Joe is one of the bands that has just used crowdsourcing to launch their new album. By now, you're probably thinking, why would anyone want to participate in crowdsourcing? Well, there's two very good points why anyone would like to participate. One, where you get paid to do it, and the other is where you're actually interested in that project and you want to see it succeed. The group that gets paid may not be paid in the way that you think. They may need to do a survey or an online questionnaire to get virtual money, as in game currency for many online games. Facebook Games is a site where you need Facebook currency. The other group of people are interested in a certain project, meaning something that is interesting to them or is for a good cause, and they are offering their efforts and financial aid as they would like to see this project that they are interested in succeed successfully. There are many sites on the internet where crowdsourcing happens. A few of the best ones are Crowdfunder, Rocket Hub, Kickstarter, and many more. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today, and I hope you have a great day.